How's it going, everyone? Welcome back to another Bitcoin update. I'm bringing you this because there is an update that needs to be made. We actually were focused on the 59k key level of support over here. It was our lowest point of the range at that time. Unfortunately, we lost it. I actually managed to call this exact bottom over here using a set of Fibonacci's. My apologies, going from this low to this top, and we hit the 1272, 1414. I told you that it's this range between this 1272 and 1618. That is a potential bottoming out area. So if any bounce comes from this location, it must reclaim 59k if we want to confirm that as our bottom and to then maintain above 59k. And so far, so good. We bounced from that location that I was anticipating. We reclaimed the 1 fib level and 59k over here, super important. And then we pumped and had a go at breaking this key level of resistance. Why have I got these two gold boxes on the chart? Well, if you actually see, I'm marking out the golden pocket, but just extending it to the 1 fib level. What I'm trying to show you here is these are our two most key points of support and resistance. Now, in my Discord community, I've already put a detailed explanation of this all and how we are expecting consolidation. From about a week ago when we were up here, I was saying we are now trapped between 60 and 64k. We're waiting for 60 to give in or 64 to give in. Now, because of the bounce after losing this low, we put in a lower low. This is bearish, but the fact that we reclaim that level changes it once again and turns it back into bullish. So in order to continue bullish, you just want to maintain 59k. And then the updates that I put in the Discord the other day, we're trapped between 60 and 64. Now 60 is above 59. So if we can maintain this key area of support of 60 and break through 64, 65, we will struggle with resistance. That is of course true, but bit by bit, because of what's gone on at the support, the loss and the reclaim and the confirmation that it is support once more, we are expecting moves to the upside. Yes, it can go wrong, but I'm telling you what my perception and the bias that I'm coming to from all the things given on the current chart. Guys, please go ahead and support my channel. It takes a second. Just scroll down, like the video, subscribe if you haven't already. I think it's like 50% of you that are not. Let's try and hit 10k as quick as possible. And going back to the Bitcoin daily chart, once more, we need to see a break of 64,000 to initiate this move up, where eventually we will take out the high at $73,800, and this will lead on to some insane targets to the upside: 77, 80, 85k, and as high as $100,000 per Bitcoin. All you need to do is have patience, because the Fibonacci targets are not random, they are magnets. And all you need to understand is that it can be boring along the path, but we will go to these higher price targets eventually. Remember this, note it down. In fact, we called it ever since back over here and over here that the next confirmed target for Bitcoin is over $100,000. It's not a question of if, it is gonna happen, and there's no time stamp on it. Do not even come around and ask Louis at what day, what month, are you expecting these targets? It doesn't work like that. Any external factor can come in and manipulate the market, in turn prolonging the time period it'll take to get to whatever target you personally have. We have a 100k target here. It will get met. It's just about being patient enough to wait for that moment. But again, I've come to my conclusion. Hopefully you've heard what my conclusion is, which from everything stated in today's update and all the supports being reclaimed and confirmed, we're expecting upside, but understanding that from these areas, if we continue to get trapped under 64k, maybe 60k gives in, but all you really need to worry about is this 56k to 59k wick right over there. This new key level of support is the only one that truly matters, and while we are above that, the bottom is in. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. Don't forget on your way out to like, subscribe, comment and share. And if you want to enter my Discord community so you have access to me morning, day and night, as well as all my cryptos and my specific buys, as on top of all the live streams that I mentor you all in, use the links down below. I've also got one-on-one mentorship and an ebook